Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video for you just to explain something real quick. A lot of authors ask about review swaps. Hey, if you read my book and review it, I'll do the same for you. Um, there is nothing inherently bad about this. It just can be easily abused. And then if Amazon catches on, that might not be good for you. So it's definitely not going to be your only strategy. My recommendation and my suggestion is if you're going to want this to happen, go and review other authors' books just because you want to build that relationship, not because you're expecting them to do the same for your book. Because who knows, they may not review your book, but then they could then share your book or share something with their audience that you've written. There's value in creating relationships, not expecting something immediate in return. So definitely just consider that as you're thinking of ways to get reviews. You'll run into that. Some authors may say, yeah, that's fine. Amazon's not going to find out. Amazon usually finds out eventually, especially if you're abusing it. If you're using that as your only way to get reviews, Amazon's going to see that you have 25 other authors of similar books reading and writing a review for your book. So definitely don't abuse it. It's not something where you want to find out, you want to wake up one day and all of a sudden your book has zero reviews and you have a promo going out that day. It's not going to work out for you. So just once again, be mindful of Amazon. They are a superpower and they know a lot of things going on. So just be careful with that. Use it once in a while, that's fine, but don't abuse the process.